All right, hi learners. The first week we were working with the short vowel sounds for A, E, I, O, U. Remember the short vowel sounds made ah, eh, I, ah, and as in apple, egg, inch, octopus, and umbrella. Now we're going to do the same, use the same vowels, but now we're going to make the long vowel sound. So this is going to sound like the letter itself. You're going to, for the A, long vowel A, you're going to hear the A sound. Same with E, I, O, U. Here's our first word. It's brain. Repeat after me. Say brain. You hear the A-I, that makes the long A vowel sound. A, brain. Let's get a little autofocus here. That's looking a little blurry on my end. And it's still kind of looking blurry too. Let's see if that's going to correct itself. Next word is scream. Say that with me. Say scream. E. What vowel do you hear in the middle of that? You hear E. Autofocus here. Yep, even though there's an E and an A with it, it makes the E sound. Next up, we have bike. I. You hear that I? When there's an E at the end of the word, usually it makes the vowel sound long, just like in bike. Next word, snow. What vowel sound do you hear? You probably hear O. And last one, unit. That's right, this is a long U sound. Unit. All right, so we have A, E, I, O, and U. Right now we're doing long vowel sounds. Okay? Take a look here at this chart, and I'd like you to make this actually in your notebook right now, please. Take a long A, long E column, long I, long O, and long U. See if you can put these words in the correct place. All right? Go ahead and press pause on the video and see if you can put those in the correct spot. All right, we're back. And I bet that you are probably thinking apron is going to be in the long A spot. That's correct. Iron, which spot do you think that goes in? Iron. Well, you hear that? That's long I. Cute. Ute. That's long U. Going. O. That's going to be long O. We. Okay, this is getting easy. You can hear that long E right there. Train. Long A. Strike. Ike. Long I. Complete. Eat. That's long E. Home. Om. That's long O. Shake. Ache. That's long A. Try. Now look at this. This has a Y in it. But you can clearly hear try. I. That's long I. Free. Long E. Play. Long A. Uniform. Long U. Fewer. This is an interesting word. Hear that sound. Few. You. There's two E's here, but that is a long U sound. Fewer. Float. Okay, you hear that O. That's long O. Teams. That's long E. Shield. Yield. Shield. This is not child, it's yield. So that is also long E. Attached to this lesson is also going to be these words. Here's what it says. Here's how we're going to build automaticity. I do want you to read all of these words. Notice the long vowel sound. Able, ate, funny. This is the long E at the end. Short vowel U sound. Fright, I, float, O, few, oo. Again, this is like that word fewer. That's the long U sound. Screaming, E, dry, long I, keys, E, that's long E. Rescue, that's long U. Read these words out loud to yourself 3 times each, and then record yourself reading them in 1 minute and see if you can beat your score in 3 consecutive times. Go ahead and upload that to the word study for Thursday and Friday. This is September 24th and 25th, and we're going to keep working with these long vowel sounds all week. Have a great day.